Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you this amazing 2002 Chevrolet Silverado. This truck's had some nice upgrades like some 22-inch WELD wheels, a BTR cam, some upgraded Holley valve covers that hide the coil packs, and a nice brake kit on this truck. But overall, it's a very, very nice truck. It's 134,000 miles, but looks like it has 30,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and start up front here. You do have some added fog lights down here in the lower valence. Your bumper's in great condition. All the plastic on this truck still shows really nice and still has a deep black to it. You do have a nice aftermarket cowl hood on this truck that gives it a really aggressive look and lets you know that it is a sport truck. All your gaps here look nice. This is a steel hood, so you get a good fitment versus like a fiberglass hood. Your windshield's in great condition. Your fender's nice, in good condition. I don't see any imperfections, scratches, or dents. All your body lines here look amazing. This truck also has a clean Carfax, no wrecks or anything like that. You do have the lower trim here down along the bottom of the truck, and it's in excellent condition as well. You do have some upgraded sport mirrors on here versus the big bulky ones. Definitely gives it a really cool look. You also have some nice rain guards here as well. It allows you to crack the window when it's raining and let some fresh air come in the cab. As we look at the back side of the cab here, it's nice and clean. The paint looks really nice on this truck, guys. Like I said, the truck does have 134,000 miles on it, but it looks like it has 30,000. Your back glass is in good condition. Your bedside looks really nice here. As you notice, you do have a 22-inch WELD wheel out back, as well as rear disc brakes on this truck. As we walk around the backside, you do have some upgraded taillights. They're LED. They kind of look like the factory, but they are upgraded to an LED style. You do have a nice roll pan here on the back of the truck, so they got rid of that big bulky bumper. And you have a nice little spoiler here on the back of the tailgate as well. Let me go ahead and drop the tailgate here. You also have a professional bed liner in the back. I really like this. This is really nice. Even for a nice truck like this, you know, you want to take the car shows, you can still use it as a truck. You don't have to worry about the paint getting chipped up or anything like that. You throw your coolers, you can throw your chairs, you can go to Home Depot, pick up stuff you need around the house. Stuff like that. But overall, this is very tough stuff, and it looks really nice because it's been professionally done, so it looks really neat. But with that being said, let's go ahead and work our way back up front so I can show you that 5.3 LS motor under the hood. All right, guys, let's take a look at the engine bay on this 2002 Silverado. You've got a really clean engine bay here. You do have the upgraded valve covers here that cover up the ugly coils on this truck. Gives it more of like a old school small block look with that. You also have the upgraded Holley Serpentine system here that's all done in black. That's a really nice kit. That's about $2,500 right there alone. They got rid of the mechanical fan and added 2 electric fans here, so no more mechanical fan. A lot better cooling there. You do have the SB cold air intake as well with the clean lid, so you can see the filter when it needs to be cleaned. You got power brakes. You do have that BTR camshaft in here, and this truck runs and sounds really good. It's backed up to a 4L60 transmission. This truck also has cutouts on the exhaust as well, so it really sounds nasty when you open those up. But overall, a very clean and nice engine bay. But guys, let's go ahead and wrap up the engine bay and let's head to the interior. Wow, take a look at this beautiful charcoal interior. One thing that I've said several times during this video, this truck does not look like it has 130,000 miles, and the interior is one of those things. It literally looks like a brand new truck inside here. Your seat has good material here. It's not ripped or torn. Still plenty of padding there in the seat. Your dash is in good condition. Your headliner's in great condition, and the carpet looks brand new in this truck. One thing that I do want to mention, we do have the original window sticker for the truck. So that's some pretty cool paperwork there for that. But even the leather here on your center console, a lot of times you'll see this starting to crack where people put their elbows and their forearms, but this one is in excellent condition. The steering wheel's in great condition. Your AC blows cold in here. You do have 2 little cup holders there for your drinks. This bench also acts as a third seat, a jump seat for any third passenger that wants to ride with you. You do have a sub back here. It's a 12-inch sub in the back, and you have an upgraded Sony head unit with Apple CarPlay, which is really, really nice. But overall, the interior looks really nice, and it's super clean. But let's get to my favorite part, and let's take this truck for a drive. All right, guys, we're cruising in this beautiful I don't like that.
Keep it going.
Yep. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the 2002 Chevrolet Silverado, and the first thing I can say is, wow, this AC blows cold. I've almost got to turn it down because it's starting to freeze me out. It's about 92 degrees here in Georgia, and this thing is staying nice and cold. All the gauges work properly, and one thing that I really love about this head unit is it does have the Apple CarPlay, which is really, really nice. All your newer cars are going to that nowadays, and it allows you to play your music and have your maps right there on the screen, so when you're traveling around in your city, you know where you're going. But so far, I'm really impressed with how the truck's handling. The steering's nice and tight. I don't hear any rattles or creaks inside the interior in here. And like I said, the interior is really, really nice, so that's a big plus too. The brakes feel really nice on this truck. The transmission shifts really good. It's got plenty of power. Plenty of power for what you need to do in a sport truck like this. It's still daily drivable, but at the same time, you know, when you need the power, it's definitely there. But everything functions on the truck like it should. But overall, just a very, very nice truck, guys. But if you're interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris or my partner, Justin, and we can help you with shipping, financing, anything you need to get the deal done and get this dream truck in your driveway. But guys, if you're new to the channel, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're all the time coming out with new content on inventory that we get in on a daily basis, so you don't want to miss out on any of that. But till the next video, we'll catch you later.